welcome back. So I have insane amount of updates, and today's vlog is actually going to be in a car. I don't usually do them in a car, but hey, I haven't had a single minute to record it at the moment. It's been super busy, and so I was like, I better record this in a car than not record it at all. So a bunch of things, exciting things happening. So number one thing is that as you remember a few months ago, I was restructuring my whole business to make it into specific like look and idea, and we spent months and months doing it, but after testing and stuff it just didn't work out. Unfortunately, lost actually a lot of money, which is really sad, but at the same time this is business, and you know, like whenever you run your own business, there's losses, there's wins all the time. But yeah, I lost $4,000 with ads that didn't actually convert at all, which made me very, very sad. But like I said, it's just part of the business and I'm kind of used to it. But right now we have completely redone my whole website, and the idea of Allas Yummy Food is fully changing from when I started, you know, was it like 11 years ago now? And the idea now that it is a fully online cooking and baking school. So now I really would love for you to go on my website, check out my new website. It's been completely revamped, and it's with the only purpose of it is to help people to bake, become better, if they want to bake as a hobby or they want to sell their cakes. And we're only going to be doing online courses, mini courses, online courses and cake courses, and that is the only thing that Allas Yummy Food is going to specialize in right now for foreseeable future. You know, our courses are the best in the world. We have insane amount of happy students, and so I decided instead of doing a bunch of other things and trying to kind of do different sort of niches, we're just going to stick with the cakes. So hopefully that's good news for most of you, because you love cakes and there's lots of exciting things coming out. In fact, one of the new courses that are coming out is on my fruit and nut desserts, which is going to come out in May. And that is a brand new course, and it's kind of like an advanced mousse cake intermediate level. So if you've done any of my mousse cake courses, you will love this course. If you haven't, you can still do it if you want to challenge yourself. By the way, sorry about the shaky camera, my boyfriend's driving, you know. I'm just kidding, he's an amazing driver. He's here right now, I can only see his leg here. We're actually going on a road trip right now, and actually, by the way, look how snowy it is. It's like snowing. Can you believe it's mid-March and it's snowing? To me, actually it's not that crazy. It happens in Latvia as well, but for America I just didn't think that happens here. But going to Mexico very soon, and I have so many things to share with you. I don't even know where to start, like really, but one of the big things obviously was about my business, and then another thing is that I'm actually gonna start a 90-day walking challenge, which I've been putting off, but I've done it every single year. You guys love it. I know how many of you join it and how many of you actually have results. So I'm hoping that we're going to start it next week. I just haven't planned the dates yet, but I will. And what does that mean? Is just it's a free challenge where we can walk every day as much as you can, but I recommend doing 1 hour of exercise a day. For me, it's going to be walking. If you like swimming, biking, whatever sports you're into, you can do that. So, and it's for 90 days, and every time I did the 90-day challenge, not only, you know, everyone's mood improved, you started moving, so the energy starts flowing, you lose weight, you feel great, you look great, and of course it's just motivational, and you have that accountability in a group, so everybody kind of just is in the same boat, so it's kind of cool. So that's one thing. And the second thing is I'm doing something very different to what I usually do. It's not related to food or even fitness. I'm going to be hosting, we are going to be hosting our first couples mastermind session with my boyfriend. He's been in the coaching space for a long time, and when we met, we actually did a couple events together and helped a bunch of people, especially about the relationship stuff. And obviously now our relationship as well is just being absolutely incredible. It's probably one of the best, it's not even probably, it's definitely one of the best relationships I've ever been in terms of like how healthy and incredible it is. and just how like mature we both are in this relationship. We can talk and communicate, and we're both in the right energies, you know, about polarity. And so we thought, why don't we just share the information we know more online, because we already did this in the physical world and we got really good feedback. So we thought we'll try it. So we're gonna do our first couples mastermind intimate workshop. It's basically gonna be a live session with us for about 90 minutes, you know, an hour, 90 minutes or so. We'll see how we get on. We're not putting any time on it. And it's going to be also donation based, which means anyone can come. So whatever you feel like you can donate, that would be great. And he's got a lot of wisdom to share. And if you are in a relationship or if you're single, this could be really fun for you. We're just going to share a couple of things that make our relationship really perfect, or as close to perfection as is possible. And yeah, I'm just like really excited. I'm a bit nervous because I've never done anything like that before, and so definitely new for me. But in a way, it's more like we're just gonna have a chat and share everything that we do to have that amazing relationship. And in a way, it's just like I just want everybody to have an amazing relationship. It's always been my mission, because you know, my parents got divorced when I was young, so it's kind of like I never seen a healthy relationship. So to have a healthy relationship, I had to do a lot of work on myself and really work through so many things to become the woman I am now, and then to attract the man who is literally on the same level, who thinks the same way and is happy to grow together. So it's kind of like very exciting for me. It's a big topic, and I wanted to, as always, push myself out of the comfort zone and do this. So I will leave all the details. Like I said, there's a lot of information here, and I get it. There's a lot going on at the moment, and so yeah, I wanted to share that with you. And lastly, an update on my book, because I get a lot of messages. I am kind of rewriting my book, but I do have the final date when the book is going to be published. So the book officially is going to be launching on 16th of November 2024. I know it's really far away. It feels like it's really far away, but yeah, I am kind of rewriting, and the main focus is going to be on healthy relationships and money and financial abundance. And before it was a lot of my biography and like things that I had to go through. I'm still going to include a lot of my personal stories, because I want to share and inspire you guys and really share the truth about what happened and how I managed to get out of really difficult and, well, like sometimes felt like impossible situations that were at that time didn't feel like there was a, you know, there was a future, or there was like even a light ahead of me. And so I really want to share that as well, but I kind of want to segment it into 3 areas that I personally have improved in my life. I'm still working on the health aspect of my life. I've improved a lot, like massively. So I would say I'm like probably like 80% good, but it's just that last piece of mindset and beliefs that I have about it that I'm going to be working through, actually with my boyfriend, because he's going to be helping me out with that. It's going to be challenging because I've tried a lot of things and nothing works. Well, nothing worked so far, so we'll see. He's very confident it's going to work. So yeah, so that's like a lot of things. I know I just mentioned, I can't keep all the exciting news in there, but I will let you know, and all the details. If anything resonated with you, if anything was like, wow, like I wanna, you know, come to the masterclass, or I wanna come to the course, whatever you feel like, or you just wanna watch the videos, that's all cool. I love seeing you guys. I love hearing from you. With my new YouTube channel, I know I mentioned last video that I started it. I have not posted anything on there yet, because as you can imagine, having 2 YouTube channels is very hard. But from May, I'll be dedicating my time to that new YouTube channel, and I will be posting a lot of amazing content, a lot of stories, mindset and growth, everything that pretty much helped me again, like, and I discuss in the book. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm just going through a huge transition right now in my career, in my life, in my personal life, in my traveling life. You know, it's kind of all changed so quickly, and this is just another example how in 6 months your whole life can change. Even shorter than that, in like a few months your whole life can change, and you might have felt like, you know, everything's just not going the right way, and then in a year's time you're in a completely different place. and everything's just amazing, right? So never give up, never like think that this is the end. Remember, life is always up and down, and if it's down and it's been there for a while, well, guess what's coming? It's only gonna be up. So alright guys, well, thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you hopefully next week. I'll be in Mexico already, so I will be sharing more